Shark AV2501S AI Ultra Robot Vacuum with Matrix Clean. Should you buy it? The Shark AI Ultra is decent for bare floors. It clears pet hair and small and bulky debris on this surface type without much of a problem. Its self-emptying base station also reduces hands-on maintenance requirements, since you won't have to manually empty debris from its base station at the end of every cleaning session. Its LiDAR mapping system results in quicker room mapping than most other Shark robot vacuums, though it can register some benign household objects as hazards to avoid. One of the big advantages of using a LiDAR over the previous Sharks is the much more accurate no-go zones, which are zones that you can draw on the map in the app to keep the robot from going where you don't want it to go. This is a feature we consider very important, and it did really well with this in the tests. Another big pro for the Shark AI is a feature that we're starting to consider a must-have, at least for premium robot vacuums, which is the auto-empty bin. When it finishes its cleaning job, it automatically returns to its bin, where a motor on the base kicks in and it sucks the debris out of the bin and into the base. This auto-empty bin on this model is one of the larger capacity bins offered by Shark. Shark says it can hold up to 60 days worth of debris. Being on the larger side isn't the only thing that makes it unique, however, it's also one of only a few bagless auto-empty bins on the market, so there are no bags to buy either. You just empty the bin directly into the trash. It's also a complete HEPA bin, which is only offered by premium manufacturers. The bin is relatively compact, slimmer and shorter than on the S8 Pro Ultra we recently reviewed. It's more of a standalone rectangle as opposed to having an overhang that creates a sort of half garage for the robot like found on the Eufy X9 Pro or Q Revo. We tested this regularly at our house, and in almost every case, it completely emptied the bin of pet hair from our 2 cats. Well, that was except for the very first run, where we intentionally left our house unvacuumed for 2 weeks to see if it could empty all the cat hair that built up in that time. It didn't, but we hadn't seen another robot vacuum pull that off either. We had no trouble with it emptying the bin after that day, though. Also, Shark is one of the only manufacturers to include an app setting where you can tell it to return to the base every 30 minutes if you want to, which you would use if you have multiple large pets that shed a lot. In any case, the bin is one of the best Shark had designed at the time, and it holds up well today. Power and performance. Another pro is power. The Shark AI AV2501AE was above average with airflow, and that power showed up on the deep clean test. In that test, we embed sand into medium pile carpet and weigh the bin before and after a 5-minute run. Again, the Shark AI was above average, getting the same score as some much more expensive robot vacuums. In terms of its main job, which is picking stuff up from the surfaces of carpets and hard floors, it was again above average. We really like Shark's dual brush design, and all of its brushes worked well together on hard floors, where it had a nice clean pickup even on its lower power settings, and impressively even with heavy debris like kitty litter. It had no problems with larger debris either on carpets or hard floors, and it also did perfectly with pet hair. Basically, in terms of pickup, it was all good. Anti-hair tangle technology. Another feature that was new when the AV2501AE was released was its redesigned main brush. Shark says it is better than their previous anti-hair tangle technology. We did find it to be good but not perfect. You will still need to regularly keep it clean, in our opinion, if you have longer hair. The Shark AI Ultra does an excellent job cleaning bare floors. It clears small debris like rice without any issue and most bulkier debris like cereal, though it might need to execute a second pass to clear away everything. The Shark AI Ultra has middling performance on low-pile carpet. It has a hard time dealing with both fine material like baking soda and larger debris like sand. Performance on high-pile carpet is decent. It does a good job of dealing with large debris like sand and clears away a fair amount of finer debris like baking soda, though it'll probably need to make an extra pass to collect everything. The Shark AI Ultra robot is better than the Shark Easy Robot Self-Empty, though the two vacuums are similar in some ways. The AI Ultra has a LiDAR sensor for faster, more precise room mapping, though it can also register common household objects as obstacles to avoid. Performance on bare surfaces is pretty similar, though the AI Ultra has an easier time dealing with pet hair and clears more debris on low and high-pile carpet.